Yes, my people, what you man telling me? So this is gold on the 1 hour chart, and depending on where you've drawn out your MSB based off the 1 hour chart, then your market structure break is from here, if you'd like it to be. So let's just say you pick that area here, and obviously based off your 1 hour chart, we know that this is my one, or we can say that's your 1, 2, 3. We swept 4 and 5. So this is an area of supply and demand. We had an up down candle, and if I just take up my fifth from this high to this low here, we can see price taps to 6 and 8. Very lovely, and it looks like now potentially having a nice reaction that's gonna help this take this trade lower. So, and of course SMA. So when you're just looking at that, what do you want to be doing? You want to be looking for shorts to be in continuation with a higher time frame. So now that's out the way, we can actually see that price is currently, well, it was bullish, or you can still say price is still technically bullish, because you could say that we're still within this zone. However, for me personally, I'll now say that price is bearish. I just want price to fully respect the 200 SMA, and then I'll start to look for a trade. But we took out this high here, we took out this high here, and we took out this low here. But we've also taken out this low, so I already know that price is actually now bearish. So let me just clear my charts again. So this is my most recent zone here, and if you just let price play out, so we don't quite tap, but we do have this area here, and we also have this area here. So there's areas in which price might tap into and continue to make higher highs, lower lows and lower highs. So in this case here, if I just remove this one here, we have the zone here, and within this zone we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and what's it called? Yes, price gave you a nice reaction down. However, it wasn't enough to take out this low, and then when you let price play out, we now take out this previous low. So now we have our new zone from here, and if you just let price play out, we take out our previous lower low, and obviously that's me done in terms of trading time. So again, in terms of entries, probably don't have the cleanest one, if I'm going to be completely honest. However, if you was looking for shorts, yes, there was potential trades that you could have taken, but for me, I can't. This probably was the best one here, where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some people might have the 4 and 5 as 4 and 5. It really depends, up to you. But for me, I think personally, this was the only trade that I could have potentially taken, and we can see where price does tap the 618. So essentially, you do get your 1-to-1. Price fails to take out these lower lows. We come back to sweep it again, but then we just come back to tap into this area of supply and demand, and then from this area here, what happened? Price continued lower. So even within this structure, internally, price took out this low here, so that's an internal flip. And obviously within this, you could start looking for, price, which is gonna help you take this trade lower. And in that case, that's what's happened. We pulled back, went down, pulled back, went down, pulled back, went down. So there's still an opportunity where you could have taken a trade from there, there, or there, based off your lower time frame. But on the 1 minute time frame, it might have been just slightly harder to see. However, if you was looking for shorts, then well done on you. And if I just close out my charts and see what's going on, so from where we was till now, overall, it is clear to say that price is bearish. Yeah, and all we done was just use our higher time frame as the narrative to help us try to take this trade lower. So that's it for me today. Victory belongs to the most tenacious, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.